Hi, it's Frank. Today I've got this Saramonic Clip-on Lavalier Microphone. It has a lightning connector for iOS devices. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it right now. So it's a lavalier microphone that plugs directly into your iPad, iPhone, what have you. Comes in a bag. Comes with a sticker. This one has, if you see there, it looks like it has the extended cord. They're all pretty much the same, just a little different item, but all the same microphone. So here's the lightning, and then the other. That's a 3.5 jack, and then a lightning on that side. And then you get a little cord tie. Cord tie. And here's the microphone. It's got a little windscreen on it. Clip. This one's got a lot of cord, it looks like. And then this is where that 3.5 jack goes in there, and then that goes into your phone, your iPad, or your Mac, I guess, too, has the lightning. So I guess I could show you it on. This one's got a lot of cord. Oh man. A clip here to clip on, windscreen. There's your actual microphone right there. Okay, now I got it plugged in to the phone here, and you can kind of see the difference between the audio quality of when it was just the phone's microphone earlier, and now it's the Saramonic lavalier lightning adapter. So it's like a USB mic for your phone, laptop, or computer. Looks like it's built pretty well.